The old Apple Watch faces makes you bored and you want new looking premium faces. Then this video's tutorial is for you. Jing Watch is not working anymore nowadays. This video includes the step-by-step process that makes easy on the process to use custom face on Apple Watch. The premium face of Apple Watch that you can use free without jailbreak and without register. You have to do a small process that you can follow my steps. Go to App Store and download Clockology app. If you visit us first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe, give thumbs if it is helpful for you. Don't forget to press bell icon so that you never miss an important update from us. Open Watch application on iPhone and install Clockology app on Apple Watch. This may take several time. Now you can see Clockology app downloaded on Apple Watch. Open Clockology app on iPhone and ignore the message. You can create own face from here too. I have the collection of all faces that you can download from below description and download it from Safari. Paste that link on Safari. Uncompress the downloaded zip. You have to move all into a specific location that you can follow my steps. Select all the faces and copy to a specific folder of Clockology. Open application on Apple Watch and tap on below square. Click on Beta Sync Mode on and swipe down below to start the process. Select the face which you want. Tap and press Watch Sync. This Clockology app on your Apple Watch, you will need to allow access to your health data during setup. You can choose any face you like and more for face. Stay subscribed with us. Drop your valuable comment below if you have any interest on that topic or any problem occurs. These are all the above process that you can make premium face on your watch. If that stuff is helpful, For you, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Press bell so you never miss an important update on future. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.